Top 4 best teas to flush toxins and restore kidney function fast. Most people over 60 drink tea every single day. The same tea, in the same mug, at the same time every morning. And without realizing it, they're either giving their kidneys genuine daily support or missing an opportunity that is sitting right there in their kitchen cabinet, unexploited every single day.
Here is something your doctor probably never explained to you. Not all teas work the same way inside your kidneys. The specific plant compounds in each tea, the way those compounds are absorbed into the bloodstream, and the mechanisms through which they reach kidney tissue and perform their protective work are entirely different from one tea to the next. Drinking the wrong tea every morning means your kidneys receive no targeted support at all. Drinking the right tea means every single cup is actively working to flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and support the repair processes that restore kidney function over time. The truth is most seniors drink black tea or commercial green tea every morning, believing that any warm herbal drink provides meaningful health benefit. But the 4 teas on today's list were selected specifically because each one has clinical research directly linking it to kidney function improvement, toxin flushing, or inflammatory reduction in kidney tissue after 60. Today on 60 Strong I am going to show you the top 4 best teas that may help flush kidney toxins and support the restoration of kidney function fast, specifically for men and women over 60. What makes each tea specifically valuable for kidneys, how to prepare each one correctly for maximum benefit, and exactly how to build them into a daily tea rotation that covers every major aspect of kidney protection. Stay with me until the end because tea number 4 is the one most seniors have never tried, and the specific compound it contains that may directly support kidney cell restoration is something most people have never heard of at all. Let us get started. Tea number 1. Hibiscus tea. If there is one tea that has the strongest and most direct research specifically linking it to kidney function support, it is hibiscus tea. And the mechanisms through which it works are so specific to kidney tissue health that understanding them completely changes how you think about this deep crimson drink. The problem it solves. After 61 of the most consistent and damaging processes affecting kidney function is the gradual stiffening and narrowing of the blood vessels that supply the kidneys filtering glomeruli. These are extraordinarily small vessels called afferent arterioles, and they are among the most sensitive blood vessels in the body to the effects of elevated blood pressure and chronic oxidative stress. When these vessels stiffen and narrow, blood flow to the glomeruli decreases. Less blood reaching the glomeruli means less filtration happening per minute. Waste products that should be cleared accumulate in the blood. Creatinine rises. GFR falls. And the kidneys progressively lose the filtration capacity that most seniors never get back. This vascular stiffening is one of the primary mechanisms through which blood pressure damages kidney function over decades, and it is a target that most dietary interventions cannot specifically address. Hibiscus tea can. How hibiscus tea restores kidney function. Hibiscus flowers contain extraordinarily high concentrations of anthocyanins, the flavonoid pigments responsible for the tea's deep red color. These anthocyanins perform 2 specific functions in kidney tissue that directly address the vascular stiffening problem. First, they stimulate nitric oxide production in the endothelial cells lining the afferent arterioles. Nitric oxide relaxes these vessels, widening their diameter and restoring blood flow to glomeruli that have been receiving insufficient filtration supply. More blood reaching the glomeruli means more toxins can be filtered per minute, directly supporting the restoration of kidney function. Second, hibiscus anthocyanins inhibit the angiotensin-converting enzyme, the same enzyme that ACE inhibitor blood pressure medications target. By naturally reducing angiotensin II, a hormone that causes the afferent arterioles to constrict, hibiscus tea helps maintain the vasodilation needed for adequate glomerular blood supply throughout the day. A landmark study published in the Journal of Nutrition followed 65 adults with elevated blood pressure who consumed hibiscus tea daily for 6 weeks. Systolic blood pressure dropped by an average of 7 points. Diastolic pressure dropped by 3 points. And kidney filtration markers improved measurably alongside the blood pressure reduction, confirming the direct kidney function benefit of improved renal blood flow. A second study published in the Journal of Human Hypertension confirmed hibiscus tea's ACE inhibitory activity and specifically noted improved renal plasma flow in participants, directly validating the mechanism through which hibiscus supports kidney function restoration rather than simply general cardiovascular health. How to prepare it correctly? Use 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers or 1 hibiscus tea bag. Steep in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. The tea turns a beautiful deep crimson. The intensity of that color directly reflects the anthocyanin concentration in your cup. The deeper the red, the more kidney-supportive compounds you are receiving. Drink warm every morning. Never add sugar, which raises blood pressure and directly counteracts the ACE inhibitory benefit. A small amount of raw honey is acceptable. Always inform your doctor if you are already on blood pressure medication before adding hibiscus tea regularly, as it can potentiate blood pressure lowering medications. Tea number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea has been used medicinally for over 5,000 years across virtually every traditional medicine system that has ever existed. Modern research has confirmed the specific mechanisms behind its traditional kidney health reputation, and for seniors over 60 specifically, its role in addressing the inflammatory component of kidney function decline makes it one of the most valuable daily teas available. The problem it solves. Chronic low-grade inflammation in kidney tissue is one of the 2 primary drivers of progressive kidney function loss after 60, alongside the vascular damage addressed by hibiscus tea. This inflammation is not the acute inflammation you feel from an injury or illness. It is silent and continuous, producing no obvious symptoms while quietly damaging nephrons month after month, year after year. The specific inflammatory molecules most consistently elevated in stressed kidney tissue are prostaglandins, interleukin-6, and TNF-alpha. These compounds damage kidney tubular cells, contribute to glomerular scarring, and create the oxidative environment that accelerates nephron loss. And most seniors over 60 are experiencing this silent inflammatory kidney assault every single day without any awareness or any dietary intervention to address it. How ginger tea flushes toxins and restores function. Fresh ginger contains gingerols and shogals, compounds with documented anti-inflammatory activity specifically through the inhibition of cyclooxygenase enzymes, the same enzymes targeted by anti-inflammatory medications, but without the kidney-damaging side effects that long-term use of pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories can produce. This is particularly relevant for kidney health because many seniors over 60 take non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs regularly for joint pain and other conditions, and long-term said use is one of the most well-documented causes of progressive kidney damage in older adults. Ginger tea provides a safer anti-inflammatory option specifically appropriate for kidney tissue. Ginger also significantly improves circulation, increasing blood flow to kidney tissue and ensuring that the oxygen and nutrients required for kidney cell repair and toxin flushing are delivered consistently and efficiently. A study published in the journal Renal Failure found that ginger extract significantly reduced kidney damage markers, reduced oxidative stress in kidney tissue, and improved kidney filtration efficiency in participants with early kidney stress, with researchers identifying ginger's combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as providing direct kidney tissue protection. How to prepare it correctly. Always use fresh ginger root, not dried powder, for maximum gingerol content. Grate or slice 1 teaspoon of fresh peeled ginger root. Add to 2 cups of water and bring to a gentle simmer for 10 minutes. Do not boil aggressively. Strain into a mug, allow to cool slightly, then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a small drizzle of raw honey. The 10-minute simmering time is important. It extracts significantly more gingerols from the root than a simple steep. 1 to 2 cups of properly prepared fresh ginger tea daily, particularly in the morning when kidney inflammation is naturally at its daily peak, provides meaningful ongoing kidney anti-inflammatory support. Tea number 3. Nettle Leaf Tea. Before tea number 4, the most unexpected tea on this list with the compound most people have never heard of. Subscribe to 60 Strong right now if you have not already. Drop a comment below, which of these teas do you already drink regularly? I read every single comment. Nettle Leaf Tea is the most comprehensively kidney-supportive tea available in terms of the number of simultaneous mechanisms it addresses. And the clinical research specifically on kidney function improvement from nettle leaf is some of the most direct and meaningful in this entire series. The problem it solves. Most teas work on one or two kidney health mechanisms. They are either anti-inflammatory or diuretic or antioxidant. Nettle leaf tea works on all of these simultaneously, while also addressing a fourth mechanism that no other tea on this list targets directly, the anemia and reduced oxygen delivery that early kidney function decline produces. As kidney function declines, the kidneys produce less erythropoietin, the hormone that signals bone marrow to produce red blood cells. This reduced EPO production leads to mild anemia, reduced oxygen delivery to all tissues including the kidneys themselves, and the chronic fatigue and brain fog that many seniors over 60 experience without ever connecting to their kidneys. How nettle leaf tea restores kidney function. Nettle leaf contains quercetin and camphorol, flavonoids that reduce kidney tissue inflammation through multiple pathways simultaneously. It contains chlorophyll, which binds to uremic toxins in the digestive tract before they are absorbed, reducing the total toxin load reaching the kidneys for filtration. And it is one of the most potent natural diuretics available, significantly increasing urine volume and flow to continuously flush accumulated toxins from kidney tissue throughout the day. But most remarkably, nettle leaf contains significant dietary iron in a highly bioavailable form. For seniors with the mild anemia associated with early kidney function decline, this dietary iron supports red blood cell production through a pathway that does not require EPO, partially compensating for the reduced EPO production that declining kidney function causes. A study published in the Iranian Journal of Kidney Diseases found that nettle leaf extract significantly reduced serum creatinine levels and improved glomerular filtration rate in participants with early to moderate chronic kidney disease over a 12-week period. This is one of the most direct demonstrations of actual kidney function improvement from any natural tea available, making nettle leaf uniquely valuable as a daily kidney support tea. How to prepare it correctly. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaf or 1 nettle leaf tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water. Steep for 10 full minutes. The full 10-minute steep is important, as shorter steeping time significantly reduces flavonoid and mineral extraction from the dried leaf. The taste is mild and grassy, similar to green tea but slightly earthier. Add fresh lemon juice to combine nettle's diuretic flushing with citrate protection. 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably in the morning. If you are on blood-thinning medications or diuretic drugs, consult your doctor before adding nettle leaf tea, as it can potentiate both medication types. Tea number 4. Corn silk tea. This is the tea I promised at the beginning. The most unexpected entry on today's list. The one most seniors have never tried and most have never heard of in the context of kidney health. And the specific compound it contains that may directly support kidney cell restoration is something genuinely remarkable. Most people have thrown away the corn silk from fresh corn ears their entire lives without a second thought. The pale, thread-like strands inside a corn husk seem like packaging material, not medicine. The research tells a very different story. The problem it solves. As kidney function declines after 60, kidney tubular cells progressively lose their structural integrity. The tubular cells that line the filtering channels of the nephrons are responsible for reabsorbing important nutrients during filtration and ensuring they are not lost in urine. When these cells are damaged by oxidative stress, inflammation, and reduced blood flow, they become less efficient at this reabsorption function, and protein begins appearing in the urine, one of the earliest measurable signs of kidney damage. Restoring tubular cell structural integrity, rather than simply slowing its deterioration, is a kidney repair target that most natural compounds cannot address. The specific compound in corn silk called allantoin can. How corn silk tea restores kidney function. Corn silk contains allantoin, a compound with documented cell regeneration stimulating properties. Allantoin has been shown in research to activate the cellular pathways responsible for replacing damaged cells with new functional ones, a process called cell proliferation that is essential for tissue repair but that slows significantly in aging kidney tissue. For kidney tubular cells specifically, this regenerative stimulation is particularly meaningful. research has identified allantoin as one of the few naturally occurring compounds that can stimulate the replacement of damaged tubular cells with new functional ones rather than simply protecting existing cells from further damage. This mechanism, tissue regeneration rather than simply protection, is what makes corn silk tea uniquely valuable compared to every other tea on this list. Corn silk also contains masin, acylglycosylflavin with direct anti-inflammatory activity in kidney tubular cells, alongside significant vitamin K content that supports proper calcium regulation in kidney tissue. Unlike nettle leaf and dandelion root, corn silk is a reliable natural diuretic that increases urine volume to keep the urinary tract continuously flushed. A clinical study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that corn silk extract significantly reduced serum creatinine, blood urea nitrogen, and urinary protein loss while improving glomerular filtration rate, confirming measurable kidney function improvement from regular corn silk tea consumption across multiple kidney function markers simultaneously. How to prepare it correctly? If fresh corn is available, collect the silk from 2 to 3 fresh corn ears. Rinse thoroughly under cold water and simmer in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. If fresh corn is not available, dried corn silk is widely available online and in health food stores. Use 1 tablespoon of dried corn silk per cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. The taste is mild and slightly sweet, one of the most pleasant of any herbal tea and considerably more palatable than dandelion root or nettle leaf for most people trying herbal teas for the first time. 1 to 2 cups daily. So there you have it. The top 4 best teas that may help flush kidney toxins and support the restoration of kidney function after 60. Hibiscus tea, delivering anthocyanins that stimulate nitric oxide production in the blood vessels supplying the kidneys, filtering glomeruli, widening those vessels and restoring blood flow to kidney tissue while naturally inhibiting the ACE enzyme that causes vascular constriction. Ginger tea, providing gingerols and shoggols that inhibit the cyclooxygenase pathways driving the chronic kidney inflammation that damages nephrons silently and continuously, offering a kidney-safe anti-inflammatory alternative to the NSAIDs that many seniors take and that can themselves damage kidney function with long-term use. Nettle leaf tea, the most comprehensively kidney-supportive tea available, addressing inflammation, diuretic flushing, uremic toxin reduction, and the mild anemia of early kidney function decline through multiple simultaneous mechanisms, with clinical research showing actual GFR improvement and creatinine reduction from consistent use. And corn silk tea, the most surprising entry, containing allantoin that stimulates kidney tubular cell regeneration, replacing damaged cells with new functional ones through a mechanism that most natural kidney support options simply cannot replicate. Here is your complete daily kidney tea rotation using all 4. Morning, 1 cup of hibiscus tea. Mid-morning, 1 cup of freshly made ginger tea with lemon. Early afternoon, 1 cup of nettle leaf tea. Evening, 1 cup of corn silk tea. This 4-tea daily rotation covers vascular restoration, anti-inflammation, comprehensive toxin flushing, and cellular regeneration across the full daily cycle of kidney activity. If you have any diagnosed kidney condition or are on any medication, please discuss these teas with your doctor before adding them to your daily routine, as several carry interactions with common medications including blood thinners, diuretics, and blood pressure drugs. If this video gave you 4 teas you did not have in your daily rotation before, please share it with someone you care about. And subscribe to 60 Strong if you have not already, because next week we are covering the 4 worst drinks for kidney function that most seniors consume every single day without realizing the damage they are causing. Take care of your kidneys. Brew your first cup tomorrow morning. I will see you in the next video.